What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Wars. I am here for some live trading today. Let's have some fun, look at some scans, and look for some trading opportunities. All right. So let me say live now, trading, live, and scanning. Let's find some hot picks. Boom. All right. So let's see if we can get some people out here. Thank you so much for being here, guys. Shout out to all the Trading Wars Army members. So what I have right now, guys, is I have some calls on Facebook that I entered. And one sec, guys, let me go and hide this. So I had some calls that I entered yesterday on Facebook. So we had a nice push up, got about 70%, and now we're pulling back. I'm still going to be holding them, looking for some plays into tomorrow. I have here NVIDIA, right? NVIDIA, I took short. What the hell's going on? NVIDIA. There we go. Nice. So we had a little bit of a retest today on NVIDIA, and now we are breaking down. So also took Procter & Gamble long and Starbucks short. So just waiting to see what those do. Basically, all of these ones, I'm looking for some swings and looking for some opportunities. So who's ready for some scans right now? Hit me with a 1 if you guys want to do some scans, and let's see what we can find here. Let's scan on the hourly. Let's see what we can find. Look for some plays. You guys want to take some plays together right now? Let's do it. What do we have here? So let me add these to the list. We have AMC, Pfizer, Coca-Cola. I'm just looking through my scanner here, guys, to look for some picks. What else do we have? Plug and Ford. So let's focus on those. And let's do that. So what do we have here? AMC. So this shit. So the hourly just closed right now. Okay, hold on. I have to rerun the scan. 1 second. Let me rerun the scan. This is not what I'm looking for. Something that already closed with an hourly inside bar, and then I'm looking to play some of that. We had a big winner on SPY puts this morning, guys, which was really amazing. Damn, I don't really see anything right now. Do not see anything. Let's see here on the outside bars. See if we can find anything on there. Boom, boom, boom. See if we can find anything there. PayPal, interesting. Roku, okay. Let's look at these two. PayPal, Roku. All right, let's look at those. So PayPal here, nice outside bar on the hourly, and Roku. This should be an outside bar too, I believe. All right, so PayPal, there we go. So very nice, interesting outside bar here on PayPal. Let me see this right now. I'll go on the daily here. It looks pretty clean. Could set up some puts right here, guys, below this green bar. What do you guys think? Some puts, 174.50, below 174.50. Let me add an alert right there. 174.50. We can look at that. That's not bad into the close. Could either be a nice little scalp, taking it down there, guys, or could be a nice little swing here. I think PayPal is. I'm gonna buy some puts once we trigger. I'm gonna go ahead and buy some puts with you guys. So keep an eye on that for me. And let's, in the meantime, while that alert is playing out, let's look at SPY today, and maybe we see some opportunities on SPY. All right. So I took SPY, guys, this morning. I went long right here, and we got stopped out, but we caught this Nirvana, guys. And this Nirvana was absolutely beautiful. You see the Nirvana is with the blue highlights. Took the short right below there, and we just got, look at this. Beautiful, beautiful slam. And there was also a nice little Fibonacci right here, high to low. You could see right here, we had that 618. A lot of rejection here on the 618. Then we had a climax with some outside bars there. So really nice day. Very, 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 very good. I took most of my position on the short at the gap fill, but I have a runner on, and let's see if I could swing that into tomorrow. So very, very nice. Let's also look for SPY to see if we can get any 5 or 15-minute bar setups. Let me go into the Discord right now and let me see if any alerts came through for SPY. So SPY setup alerts. So this is the morning here, guys. You could see. So boom, there we go. Nice short, cover some here. Old reliable Nirvana. So the Nirvana was a winner, but you could see right here, I got stopped out. I got stopped out here. Lots to chop. Long inside bar here. Trigger no luck today. So we got stopped out early on, but was able to get a nice short winner. So the last thing we had here was a 15-minute inside bar. Let's go ahead and see that on SPY so we can maybe play off of that 15-minute inside bar. So no, that was back then. Look at this, guys. Really clean. Double inside bar on SPY. I mean, there were some really nice patterns there. A lot of my members took this one this morning. And I don't know if anybody caught this. Let me ask. Let me ask the lounge. SPY VIP. Did anyone get the double IB on the 15-minute? I didn't take it, guys. I didn't take it, guys. Let's see what the chat. Let's see what the members say. I did not take. I wish I did. It's beautiful. I was focusing on other stocks today. Let's look at the stock picks from yesterday too, and let's see if we can get into anything. Like I kind of want to trade some stuff right now. Let's look at this list here. So AMD, Intel, Roblox, and KO. I have them right here. Coca-Cola. So AMD, let's go to the 5. 9:30. Pretty crazy day here, right? 9:30 here. We had Nirvana, already missed that. Intel setting up with an inside bar right now. Roblox, Visa, Coca-Cola. So let's look at this inside bar on Intel here. Let's keep this one ready. PayPal. Okay, so PayPal, I'm still waiting for that trigger. And let's go ahead and look at SPY as well. Let's see what they said. Tried it, but Interactive Broker denied my order. Getting used to missed it. Yes, but got out way too early. Futures plus Nirvana. Boom, boom. I didn't get it. Markets orders from now. Boom. So somebody hit it for 220% on the 15-minute with 0 days to expire. That's clean. Clean, Mr. Clean. And that's what we do at Trading Wars, guys. The community, we're trying to help each other at all costs. You know, it's about getting better. It's about, I teach people how to trade, guys. They don't need me. I teach them. All right. Man, so let's see if we can get some inside bars or something to trade here into the close. Do you guys have any charts you want me to look at right now? Maybe we could find something there. So this brother here says, let me know if you guys have anything you want me to look at. PayPal, I'm interested in this short if we could turn around. Intel, it's not going to close the inside, so I'm going to pass. SPY, there's no setups right now. Just going to wait. Let's look at NVIDIA. Yeah, so I'm in NVIDIA since yesterday, right? I shorted off of this double inside bar. So let me check my puts right now. Shit. Actually, I can't check it right now because can you check? Okay. I'm gonna get Derry here to check it out for me. And Derry, you want to put in the orders for me too? For PayPal and SPY. I'll let you know when we're ready. Okay. So I have Derry here, my little brother here. He's gonna be putting in the orders for me while I go ahead and call out some plays here. Tesla. 5 minutes. Nothing right now, guys. Look at this in the morning. Beautiful. Damn. Nice little inside bar on the 15 here. This is nice. We could try this one on Tesla. It's going to close with the outside bar on the 15. Anybody interested in trying this on Tesla with me? Hit me with a 1 if anybody's interested. Honestly, guys, right now, I already made some good money, so I'm just trying to have some, trying to just show you guys how I do it. And it's not about winning or losing. It's about having a process. Remember that. The process is what makes the money. Pfizer. What's going on with Pfizer, man? What's going on with this thing? I've been waiting for this thing. Shit. Look, there's a Nirvana already there. I wish I was in this one. Maybe we could take a retest here. I think I want to try some Pfizer. That looks good. You want to do it? Are you in the broker? Okay, let's try Pfizer here. Tell me what the 54 calls are. What the 54 calls are on Pfizer. Tell me what the 54 calls are. I think I'm a little bit late to the party. I would have loved to been in here with this Nirvana. A little bit late, but it's all good. Because the reason I'm interested on this, guys, is we had this weekly inside bar, and we already broke down, right? We broke down. I tried it this morning, and it didn't work. I got stopped out. So I'm willing here to try another time on Pfizer, see if we can get that reversal that I've been looking for.
50 cents.
50 cents on which one? 54?
Yeah.
What expiry?
Friday.
Yeah, let's try it. Let's try 10 of those. Buy 10 of those. I'm gonna try it here, guys. I'm a little bit late, but I'm gonna try it. Which one? 54 calls. 10 54 calls, 50 cents a pop. Give it a shot. $500. I just want to position myself for a swing tomorrow. So this play is mostly for tomorrow. Take a shot on it. We'll see. Just do day. What's the bid in the ass right now?
50, 51.
So just do market right now. Do market right now while it's coming down. Do market for me. And tell me what you get filled at. This is more for a swing for me, guys. Obviously, guys, I have different risk parameters than you, so don't copy exactly what I'm doing. Like, know what you're doing. I'm just showing you this for educational purposes, right? So the whole point of this trade for me is Pfizer, again, on the weekly, is very bullish. We did break that inside bar, and I'm looking to see if we can fake this inside bar with false breakdown and a push back up. Just get it at the market price. Don't put a trigger. So we'll give it a shot there. What did you guys say? MU with an inside bar? What time frame? What time frame for MU, brother? Clark? What's going on? Good to see you, brother. Oh, here on the 5. You guys want to try that? Let it. Okay, we have 2 minutes. Let's try this on MU. But shit, it already broke. So we're gonna pass. Tesla, 15-minute outside bar. Let this one close. So you said 15 on MU. I don't see an inside bar here on the 15. Unless these lows are exactly the same. Yeah, they are. So this is a tweezer bottom on MU here, guys. Both at 90.34 exactly. That's a nice setup. The low, you see, 50.30, 90.34, 90.34.
You got Pfizer or anything else?
What'd you get in a Pfizer? What was it, Phil?
For that market, whatever it was.
But what is it? Check it. Tell me what the cost is. So, okay, let's let MU close and let's let Tesla close.
5.20.
52 cents? Okay, so we got the Pfizer at 52 cents. Okay. All right, so we got this at 52 cents, guys. This is more, like I said, more like a swing for me based on my thesis here. And MU, nice tweezer and a nice outside bar on Tesla. So I'm just going to try it. Let's see what we get. SPY. What's going on with SPY? Ooh, this is nice. 50-minute outside bar on SPY. I'm going to do futures contracts. You want to do that? Put that one in for the 15-minute outside bar. We can do micros. So try micros here with this. I like this better than the Tesla one. And it's pretty much the same pattern going on. I'd rather do it with futures. All right. So try to get, okay, so go long 456.275. 456.275. 275. Stop limit. Let's try this, man. I like it. As long as it doesn't break this high, I don't want to be a part of this. So let it do its thing. Let it chill. If it closes here with an inside bar on the 15, then that's going to be a holy grail, right? So that would even be nicer. So let it do its thing. Totally fine. So, okay. So these ones here on Pfizer, guys, I'm going to just be full risk on this. It's even closing with a nice guys, if Pfizer can close with an inside bar today, that's going to be really nice because you know the premiums are getting hit right now, right? And if I can get lucky and we can gap up tomorrow, I'm going to be making a lot. So let's see if we can do that. Or I'm going to hit it again tomorrow. So I don't mind if Pfizer closes as an inside bar. I don't mind at all. The different color candles are my golden indicators, guys. You can get them for free. These are indicators I created to help the community and make sure that they're good to go. MES. All right, so you have your order waiting? Okay, we're waiting to get filled. I'll let you guys know how it goes. So
do a full position. Just one contract.
One contract. Two. Are you on MES?
Yeah.
Do one ES. Actually, no. Do 5 MES. So that way we can scale out if we need to. So how you guys doing today, man? Hit me with a 1 if you guys are feeling good. The big play today, guys, was this one that we caught in SPY, which was the Nirvana, right? And the Nirvana was right. So the Nirvana, you can only see it on SPY. Right there. Boom. So there we go. There was a Nirvana. Bam. Boom. Beautiful. You guys doing all right? Yeah, so guys, like what I'm trying to do here is I'm just trying to look for my patterns and trade them. That's it. Right? Like if you look at this chart, this is the 15-minute for SPY. We had an inside bar, nice. This is a 2-to-1 winner. We had an outside bar, this is a loser. Then we had this double, that's a winner. So if you just focus on the patterns and you try to get 2-to-1 or a 1.5-to-1 on the winners, you just have to be willing. You have to understand that not everything is going to win. You have to spread it out, spread out your trades and give it like follow the patterns. Let the bars do the work. Bar by bar, we focus on bars. Bar by bar, you take the place. All right, live with the results, but always try to make sure your winners are bigger than your losers. That's the key in trading. So if you can do a trailing stop, make your losers smaller, that's going to help you. Okay. Hit me with a 2 if that makes sense. Hit me with a 2 if that makes sense. Facebook. It's nice there. Potential. So let's let these close at 3. I might add a little bit more to my puts on NVIDIA here. I really like this. If we break, so let's see. Yes. 15. Right here. All right, so it looks like we're going to be making a holy grail. All right. So Trading Wars Army members, are you guys in the building? I don't see enough of you guys. Trading Wars Army members, hit me with the TW Spy VIP Holy Grail. Let me see you guys. Roku, Dollar Tree, Etsy, Docu.
You want me to run the short word for this Holy Grail too?
For which one?
The Holy Grail.
Yeah, you could do the short too. We'll just let it close first because we still have 10 minutes. Yeah. So I'm willing to take this both ways. If we break above here, I'll be going long. If we break below for the short, I need 10 more minutes for this to close. Boom. So I see my brothers in here. Clark, what's going on? Michael, what's going on? Roger, good to see you. Tesla. The best thing that I can recommend to you guys as a friend is trade small, take a lot of trades, right? And build yourself up. Learn how to execute, learn how to take profits, etc., etc. Do that as much as you can, either through small capital or through paper trading until you feel comfortable. That's the best way, guys. That is the best way. Trust me. I like this NVIDIA right here. I really like that. So let's just give it another 10 minutes. So we have NVIDIA and MES. Roku. I don't see anything on the hourly here, brother. For Roku. I don't see anything. Tesla is doing the same thing as futures right now. Shout out to Roger. What's going on, brother? Shout out to Mike. Why not take the 5 IB versus 15? You could take the 5 for sure. I'm just focusing on the 15 right now because today's kind of been a little bit, I mean, it started off choppy, and I'm just worried about it chopping into the close because we already had a big move, right? So sometimes after a big move, we kind of chop. But that's why I'm going to wait for the 15. Shout out to Mike. Shout out to Roman. What's going on, brother? And guys, if you want me to do more of these live streams and you want to learn more from me, guys, this is all you have to do right here. Go to my channel and hit join. All right. So why am I getting ads? Hit join right here, guys. Okay. You can get right there, guys. $4.99. The more people that I have on this live channel, the more that I'm willing to do them. And you guys get nice little perks and everything like that. Okay, guys? So check it out. What do we got here? Boom, 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 boom. It's going to be the longest 8 minutes of our life. Longest 8 minutes of our life. I always love trading in the morning because the morning it's either hit or miss. So you know your results right away. The afternoon is always a little bit more difficult. But it is what it is, right? I just want to have some fun with you guys and show you guys what I do. So Pfizer. You guys are coming back to life yet? Nice. Decent. Boom. Shout out to Kanika J, new Trading Wars Army member. Welcome to the Army. Can we welcome Kanika, guys? Please hit her with the TW Spy Army VIP. Welcome, Kanika. Thank you very much for being here. Boom. Sometimes in trading, guys, it's all about patience. I really like this setup right here, man. Looks good. Looks good. Let's look at some fibs. Anybody want to look at some fibs? Who's down to look at some fibs? Hit me with a 1. I mean, let me kill that here. So we had this high to low, pull back to the 618. We traded to the 10%. So I already missed this. Did you see here, guys? This is a new low, 10% and a pop. I'm going to set an alert for right here and see how we react there to the 272. If we come down here and we break down here and we have a setup here at the 272, I will be looking for a reversal play. That will be a nice one. So anybody have any nice patterns that we could look at? Anybody? NVIDIA doing the same thing as futures. Everything you can see, like the broader stocks, guys, on the 15, they're all holy grails. You see that guy? Look at this, guys. AMD, holy grail. Futures, holy grail. NVIDIA, holy grail. That's why it's so important to trade SPY and understand SPY. It's very important. That's why I trade SPY every day, because it is the market, right? You need to understand the behaviors. So you have the long in already. So you could start putting in the short. You could start putting in the short. We have 5 minutes left. Let's try it. We're going to put in the orders now, long and short. So let's do it. SPY and NVIDIA both. Yep. SPY 5-minute double inside. Nice. Yep. There's a double. A double there. But like I said, I'm going to hang out on the 15 for this just because it's the last hour and we already had a lot of movement. So we could expect to just kind of go sideways. Let's look at Apple and Microsoft. Let's see what's going on with those. Apple, 1 hour, 15, 5. 5 minutes, they had a holy grail back then. Microsoft, 15. Nice OB here on Microsoft, actually. How's the daily chart looking? Beat up. I'm debating here, trying Microsoft. Order filled? On which way? Okay. All right, we're long. We're long on futures here, guys. You guys ready? So before the 50-minute close, the outside bar triggered. Are you guys ready? Hit me with the one if you're ready right now, man. Come on, let's get a push, baby. Let's go. Let's get a push. All right. So looking at this here, the first partial target will be on this 272 right here. 45.66 is going to be it. Guys, are you ready for this, man? Like, where's the energy at? Where are you guys at? Hit me with the one. Let's go. Push this up for me, baby. Push it up. So I'm trying to get to that 272 right there. How much do you have? 5? Okay.
I have 6.
You have 6? All right, let's see what we get here, man. So generally, you can have your stop loss below the low of the outside bar. That is the most safest. I mean, how many points did we get out of this? You know, 2.75 points. So if you're a scalper, like if you're a 2-point scalper, I know a lot of people do that. You could have already locked in, but I'm going to play for a little bit more here. I'm gonna play for a little bit more. I don't mind if I get stopped out, guys, because I'm not with a lot of size. So I'm just trying to show you guys mostly for educational purposes what I do. So this, I would love to catch it earlier in the day, right? Like up here, okay? Or even on the 5 in the morning. If we catch those, I would love to play like bars like these, guys, even like these. I would love to play it earlier in the day, even up here, just because there's a little bit more potential for bigger moves. So let's see. Who wants to try Microsoft? Anybody interested? Hit me with a 3 if anybody's interested in Microsoft. What now? The question is, what's more bullish, Microsoft or AMD? Looks like Microsoft is stronger today. Can you check Microsoft calls 311 or 312? Check those out for me. Hit me with the put a conditional order in for Microsoft here. I'm only interested in playing this to the upside. So let's go here. Put a conditional order above 308.93 to take the 310 calls. Got that? Okay. All right. So I'm interested in that. I only want to play this to the upside. I like the bullish strength of Microsoft on today, even in a down day. You could see, right? Even in a down day, Microsoft didn't break its low. So it's relatively strong. So if we get a rally into the close, this could be a big boy here, guys.
250.
Which one?
For the Microsoft calls.
250. So buy 2 of those. Buy 2 of the Microsoft calls. Which one is it? 310?
Yep.
Okay, and make sure it triggers above 308.93. All right, man, I wish I caught that holy grail here. What's going on in futures? So just chopping around here. It had a little bit of momentum right away, guys, and then we just kind of flipped.
These are on day orders.
Yeah.
Market day orders.
Yeah. So we'll see. Okay. We'll give it some time. So I don't want to play Microsoft if it comes lower. I don't want to because there's better options to play short, right? Like Nvidia is a better one. But I want to play it if we break here. Pfizer's moving? Somebody said Pfizer's moving. What? That's not much. But yeah. I thought this thing went up to 100. That's what I thought. The way you guys said it. I thought it was at 100. All right. I hate the chop later on in the afternoon, but that's, when I'm trading in the morning with the room, I can't go live, right, guys? Because I'm directing everybody and stuff like that. So, but you could get some good plays into the close. So let's talk about this Nirvana here. So the Nirvana pattern, guys, is one of the most powerful patterns, right? If you look at SPY today, we took this one short on the 5-minute right here. Okay, it's a very powerful play, very, very powerful, the Nirvana. And the way you want to trade it is the outside bar is your trigger, right? So if we break above, you want to go long. If we break below, you want to go short. And let's do a little bit of an experiment. Okay, let's do a little bit of an experiment. So if I took shares here on Pfizer, so let's say my entry is on this candle and my stop loss is here. So what's the highest we got? So let's say you're going for, let's just say you're a scalper. Let's say you go for a 1-to-1. So right there, guys, you would have hit your 1-to-1, right? If you went shares. But let me ask you a question now. Do you think that you would have made 100% return on an option or 50% return on the option move from here to here? What do you guys think? Let me know. So hit me with a 1 if you believe that this move would have given you a good option push. Or hit me with a 2 if you think no. What do you guys think? Come on, baby, turn around. What's going on? Don't do this to me on stream. Right? So basically here, guys, what I'm trying to say is there's a benefit, there's pros and cons of shares and options. There's pros and cons, right? Because remember this now. With these shares, you have to have a lot of size. So you need a margin account, right? You need a margin account for that. But if you're taking options, you can do a cash account, but you're going to need bigger moves. And that's just, but with the options, you know what your risk is. Whatever you put in, that's what you're willing to lose, right? So those are the pros and cons. Hit me with a 3 if that makes sense. Does that make sense? Oh man, look at this chop. So the good thing is I took futures contracts here. So what if this continues to chop, I'm not gonna lose premium. Like there's no premium, right? But if it stops me out, like if it breaks this low here, so you have stop loss in. So if it breaks that low here, I'm gonna lose. But if it goes sideways, the options will lose. Okay, options will lose if it goes sideways. But if you're doing futures, it's just based on the price. It's very similar to stock. So for any of you guys that don't know, like this is really nice. MES here, 1 point is $5, right? So it's a fraction of the bigger contract, and you probably only need about $1,000 to $2,000 of capital intraday to trade it, which is not bad. So I always recommend people that trade with me in my room and everything, just make sure, like, if you're having trouble with options, then give this one a try, because you don't have to worry about all the Greeks. Hit me with a 4 if that makes sense. Microsoft here. Pfizer, nasty outside bar there. SPY, which is MES. Let me run another scan and see if I can find anything. All right, guys, give me a sec.
You want me to move this stop up?
No, it's okay. What do we have here? Can we go back to Pfizer? Let me see something on the hourly. Right. So now we're working on an inside bar. Oh, that's the daily. Oh, I'm on the daily. My bad. Let me change it back to the hourly. Let me see if I can find anything on the scan. So guys, if you're interested in the scan, I have a lifetime scanner. Anybody that gets a copy of my book or joins any one of my rooms gets a scanner for life. So you can always use it to help you with your trades, right? AMD user. Let's do a double. Let's look for some double inside bars. Let's see if we can find anything. Ford. So Ford trying to do this holy grail on the hourly here. Don't really like that. I don't really like Ford too much to trade. But that's the only one that I see right now. All right, we're just going to be patient. It's progressive. Let's see that. I've traded progressive a few times and made some good money. Mostly swing trades, though. It's a daily, weekly. Trying to form an inside, and the hourly here is for trying to form an inside. But this is going to be going into the close. So I'm just going to pass on those. I don't want to force that. What contract do you use on MES? I just use the March contract. Okay, we're getting some life, guys. We're getting some life. Yeah. Back to break even. Push it. Push it real good. Okay. Show me something. So this guy, this is why I love to trade futures and just leave the stop loss and just disappear. Because otherwise you might go mental. Like you see, I'm starting to go mental right now. All right, let's look at the picks up here. AMD. Let me go to the 5. So my trigger trader, which is Derry, he got sick. He got sick of playing too much Pokemon. I'm just playing. But he was gonna put in these orders last night, and I missed these ones. But let's just see how they did. I missed this. I missed these orders, but let's check them out. So AMD, the short entry was 132.07. I should have put these in yesterday, but I missed it. I hope that the people in my room got it though, because this was a nice one. So short entry here, 132.07. That's beauty. So let's draw this up together. So this is called the trigger method. So let's go ahead and do some triggers together. So the trigger method, guys, I'm looking for as soon as it breaks that red line for it to flush. And that's what happened today. So let me go ahead and find the target was 137.20 and the stop was 134.56. 137. Wait, I'm looking at the wrong one. Sorry, it's here. So short 132.07, stop 133.42. Stop was 133.42, and the target was 130.78. So target here 130.78. So there we go. Yeah. So that one was a nice winner. Boom. So what I like to do with the triggers, like I usually set them the night before, right? So it's automated. So once we hit this red line, we're short. The stop loss is here for protection. I take off the majority of the position at this target. And this target is based on some Fibonacci's that I've been testing. And then from there, guys, what I like to do is just layer it out in different targets. So I wish I took this one. I didn't. Did any of the Trading Wars Army, did any of you guys take that? Did any of you guys take that? I wish I did. So that was AMD. So we are chopping around, guys. Another inside bar here. This is probably going to close inside. So we could try this. We could add to this position potentially if we break higher. Anybody get that, AMD? I'm using interactive brokers. So let me ask you guys a question here. Do you guys want to add to this? Hit me with a 1 if you want to add to this position. Hit me with a 2 if you think it's too dangerous. What do you guys think? Hit me with a 1 if you want to add to that. If we break higher. Hit me with a 2 if you think it's too dangerous. This is the 50-minute chart for S&P 500 futures. So I see some 2s. See some 2s, guys. So Microsoft did not trigger. What's going on with Pfizer? Pfizer's starting to pick up some steam. Okay, good. So let that do its thing. Here. All right. We still have a few minutes, so let's let it slow down. Yeah. So hit me with a 1 if you guys made money today. Hit me with a 2 if you lost money. Hit me with a 1 if you made money today, and hit me with a 2 if you lost money. Interested to see. It was a difficult day. C1s. Okay, good. Good. You guys did well. Impressed. Thanks for the SPY VIP setup. It's been working nicely, Rich. Do you use interactive mobile app to put conditional orders? You can't put conditional orders on the app. You have to do it on the broker. Okay? You have to do it on the broker. So I have Derry. He's sitting beside me. He's putting in the orders for me while I call out. Okay, here we go, guys. Come on, man. Let's go now. Let's do it. Give me some power right now. Yep. Can I get a yep? Come on, man. All right. 272, baby. Waiting for you. How much contracts you have?
6.
How much are you up right now?
$100.
Yo, we're up $100, guys.
Put in 3, right?
Sell. Now I'm hesitant to take it off at the 2. So leave it. Don't sell anything yet. Boom. All right. Take off 2. Take off 2 right now. That's how we do it, guys. Nobody does what I do out here for you guys, man. I'm telling you, man. Nobody does what I do for you guys out here. But you guys keep playing games with me. You keep playing games with me. That's how we do it. You got it? That's what you call patience, playing your setup, knowing where your stop loss is. I took a partial there. You can trade a small account with interactive brokers. You just need to activate margin. Just give them a call. I've traded with as small as like 3,000 or 4,000. Rich, what gives you good confidence to stay in your position, what's your advice on how not to exit early? You have to do the back testing, brother. You have to do the back testing. The back testing is what lets you know. that you need to trust your position. You need to trust what you're doing. The back testing. So I have to run, guys. I have some business calls to take care of. But there we go. I mean, if you wanna, I don't know if you guys are following along or whatever, but you could definitely close everything right now if you want to, going into the end of the day. Got a little scalp here. I think I'm gonna wait for this 15-minute bar to close and then figure out what I want to do from there. Probably move the stop loss up to below this candle that's forming, just because we're going into the close. But hey, I want to thank you very much for hanging out with me and spending your time with me. I appreciate you guys. I try to go live to just show you guys that I do this, every day. If you guys are interested in trading futures and trading SPY, check me out at tradingwars.com. You can sign up for the SPY room right there, or the stock room if you're looking to trade stocks is down here. That has a day. Both rooms have day trades and swing trades. And right here, guys, we have the 3 books. Okay, if you buy any one of the books, guys, you get 1 month for free. I think that's probably the wisest thing to do because you get the education behind all my setups. Otherwise than that, guys, appreciate you, man. Thank you very much. And hope you learned a little bit of things. Just stick to your setups, guys. In the long run, that's what's gonna win. Because if you constantly flip between strategies or between biases and all that stuff, guys, that's how you lose money. That's how you gamble. We try not to do that, right? All right. Yeah. Thanks, guys. So please, man, if you guys want to see me do live trading a little bit more often, hit me with a comment. I'm gonna end the broadcast right now. Hit me with in the comment section once I end the broadcast. Just say, "Hey, Rich, we like when you go live. We like when you go live." Right? And before we go, let's welcome L Stoff, new member. Welcome to the Trading Wars Army, guys. Let's go ahead and welcome her in before we leave. So I might just kill the rest here, guys. Let's see. Or I'm gonna wait for it to close. So we'll see here, guys, because there is but you see here, guys, you see how the 272 is a rejection. So that's also an area to short. So if you're doing a reversal, you could go ahead and short that as well. And that's something that I've been working on as well, using these 272 extensions as areas of reversals. All right. Thank you very much, guys. Catch you tomorrow.